The Redmi Pad 2 Pro and Poco Pad M1 are sleek, lightweight Android tablets with a 12.1-inch 2.5K display and 120Hz refresh rate, ideal for media and productivity. They share similar hardware and design, with key differences in branding and regional availability. Both support stylus input via the Redmi Smart Pen or Poco Smart Pen, offering magnetic attachment, pressure sensitivity, and low latency writing, though the stylus is sold separately. With large batteries and smooth performance, both tablets handle multitasking, gaming, and streaming effortlessly. Ultimately, the choice comes down to price, brand preference, and accessory support in your region. Both the Redmi Pad 2 Pro and Poco Pad M1 feature a 12.1-inch 2.5K IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and crisp detail for media and multitasking. The Redmi Pad 2 Pro stands out slightly with its higher 600 nit brightness, 1.07 billion color support, and faster 360 Hz touch sampling, providing a brighter and more responsive viewing experience. The Poco Pad M1 delivers nearly identical quality. Both the Redmi Pad 2 Pro and Poco Pad M1 run on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, ensuring a smooth and optimized interface. Powering both tablets is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4, 4nm, chipset paired with the Adreno 810 GPU, delivering efficient performance for multitasking and gaming. The Redmi Pad 2 Pro offers 6 or 8 GB RAM with 128 or 256 GB storage, while the Poco Pad M1 comes mainly in an 8 GB plus 256 GB variant. Both support microSD expansion up to 2 TB, providing ample flexibility for storage needs. Both the Redmi Pad 2 Pro and Poco Pad M1 feature an 8MP rear camera and a 8MP front camera, suitable for casual photography, video calls, and document scanning. Both the tablets offer strong connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. The Redmi Pad 2 Pro also features a 5G variant, giving users faster mobile connectivity, while both support GPS, speakers, and accessories like keyboards and styluses for enhanced productivity. Both the tablets feature a 12,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, offering long-lasting performance for media, work, and gaming. Overall, both the Redmi Pad 2 Pro and Poco Pad M1 offer similar performance, displays, stylus support, and battery life, with the Redmi slightly ahead in brightness and touch responsiveness, while the Poco provides great value for everyday use.